Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anamika Singh from St. Xavier's College, Jaipur, and I welcome you in today's geography class. So today's geography class is a mapping class, and today we are going to start with political mapping of South America. Now mapping is a very important integral part of geography, since the first question in your geography paper would be of mapping, in which you have to locate and label certain places, certain attributes in the map. So today we are going to begin with political map of South America, and this I've already told you that before we begin our mapping, I request you all to please take out your atlases and take your pencil or highlighter. That would be better to mark in your atlas, and in that way you will learn all the things simultaneously which are being taught here. Okay, so this is a political map of South America, as you can see. Now, before we start mapping of any continent, it is important to highlight some grids or some latitude and longitude. For example, here in South America, there are two important lines, important grids, right? And with reference to those lines, we are going to study the political mapping of South America. Okay. For example, here you can see this is 0 degree, the equator. Equator passes through the northern part of South America, and this is 23.5 degrees south, Tropic of Capricorn. So this symbolizes that the South American continent, and we can see also the South American continent lies in the southern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn passes almost through the middle of South America, and beyond Tropic of Capricorn, you can see the land of South American continent starts tapering down. Okay, so these are the two reference latitudes which we will take into consideration while mapping our continent. So you can see a very small portion of South America lies towards the north of equator, and beyond equator, the south of equator, majority of South America lies. Now we will mark the countries of South America. So you can see here, first one is Ecuador. Ecuador is named as Ecuador because equator passes through it. Then comes Colombia, Venezuela, a small nation of Guyana, Suriname, French Guyana, the largest nation of South America area-wise, Brazil. Then we have Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina, and Chile. So these are the nations of South America. Kindly mark in your atlases simultaneously. Now ahead we would be seeing the administrative regions of these nations. So now we will mark the capitals of different countries of South America, as you can see in this map. Let's begin. So starting again with Ecuador, the capital of Ecuador is Quito. Colombia, it's Bogota. Venezuela, it's Caracas. Guyana, it's Georgetown. Suriname, it's Paramaribo. French Guyana is Cayenne. Brazil, capital is Brasilia. Peru, capital is Lima. Bolivia, capital is La Paz. Paraguay, capital is Asuncion. Argentina, capital is Buenos Aires. And Chile, capital is Santiago. Other than that, one more important thing which you should know here is the continent of South America is connected to the continent of North America with a very narrow passage of land. You can see here, these Central American nations are connecting the bigger two continents, and specifically this part, this is a narrow strip of land which is territorially called as Panama. So this Panama nation, or geographically Panama Isthmus, is the land which connects South America and North America. So please make a note, isthmus is a very narrow part of land which joins two bigger parts of land. So this was all about the mapping, political mapping of South America. In ahead classes, we would be continuing in the same pattern with other continents as well. Thank you so much for today's class.